I'm Meredith from Honeyroo, and today I'm going to show you some of the extra awesome features on our Honeyroo Joey Classic baby carrier. Our carrier has lots of extra pockets to carry all of your essentials. So in this front one, I have a diaper. Always need one of those. And then on the side, there's two on this side. I've got keys in this one, and this one with the zipper is great for your phone or a credit card or still a little bit of money, whatever you need. And this side, there's a bottle carrier, or if your kids are a little older, a water bottle like this is great. This one here in the top is a Velcro, and you could put an extra diaper, some wipes, maybe a snack. Kids are always hungry, you know, or a snack for you. Our carrier also comes with a protective head cover for the little ones, and you just snap it down at the bottom first. Then the straps go on your strap like this, and you just pull it up and over baby's head. This is really great for if they need a little sunshade or if it's real windy. We live in Texas and it's windy here. Also good for if you want them to take a little nap and not see everything. This is great for little ones who are going to be facing you and need a little extra snuggle. Now this feature is a little bit more secret. It's still super useful. So what you do is you un-Velcro this top pocket, snap the top up, and then you're gonna unzip this part and roll it up. And what it reveals is a breathable mesh layer here, and it's really good for summertime or if you live in a warmer climate to help baby get a little bit more airflow and breathability. Another accessory your Honeyroo Joey Classic baby carrier comes with are these soft bite guards. I've got this side done already. These are great if you have a baby who's teething or even just a nibbler or a biter on your hands. So what you do is you just slide it underneath your strap, fold it over, Velcro up, and secure it here. This is really important because not only does it keep your baby carrier clean, it protects baby's mouth from the plastic buckle. That's it for all the extra features. Let us know if you have any questions. Send us an email or DM us on social media. See you next time. Bye.